Makita's exciting. Yeah. So Makita's here. She's not too sure how she feels about my first bit of Bosch. All the gear I've got so far is Makita's, so thanks heaps to the team over in Bosch Australia and New Zealand for sending me this as part of their Instagram competition. So I'm going to open it up and see what they give me today, and I'll get into another video eventually on a review and maybe a comparison across to my Makita grinders or some of the other guys that work with DeWalt or Milwaukee. So very exciting. I know that there's an X-Lock grinder in here with a battery and charger, and I can see right away there's a t-shirt, so that's pretty cool. Pretty happy about that. So it's very well packed. So what do we got? Straight away we've got some X-Lock grinder blades. We've got a concrete cutting masonry blade. We've also got a ceramic cutting blade, so for tiles, polished concrete, all the kind of fine cutting things we don't want many chips and all that. Coming in this box, we'll be lucky enough to score a Procore 8 amp battery, which is awesome. I'm sure that's going to go hard. Alongside obviously the grinder itself in a box, and stashed away under here. This is awesome. This is an awesome collection. We've got a little beer cooler, and wow, that is wicked. Got a whole inventory of blades. We've got a timber grinding blade, we've got some metal cutting blades. We've also got a whole new box of just standard cutting blades, so it's going to be awesome. Keep it going. And last but not least, there's also thrown in a Bosch carry kit, which is wicked. I can throw all of these new blades, the grinder, the charger, the battery, all in here, and it's all done as one. So that way I can keep them separate, and if I do rate it better than my other grinders, this can be the new tool. So yeah, I'll start taking them out of the packaging. Wow. Just take a moment to admire all of this awesome kit I've been sent. How cool is this? Cool Bosch t-shirt. And the amount of space is unreal in this thing, so I'm hoping I can get it all to fit. I'm sure I will. And if I do, that is perfecto. So, yeah. Trudy, let's go. So it's quite a heavy battery. The biggest Makita battery I've got is obviously the 6 amp, so it's definitely heavier and a little bit bigger. But it's got quite a nice feel to it, and seems really well made. So I've actually never really seen or felt the new Procore Bosch batteries, so I'm impressed. It's got a bunch of designs on the underside to cool the battery, and a really nice shell to protect it. So all in all, with the battery placed on the grinder, it clips in really nice. It's a decent weight. It's quite a heavy grinder, but with the ergonomics of it all, it's got a really nice centre of balance or centre of gravity. So I can see straight away it's going to be nice in the hand for a long duration of time, and for a whole bunch of different tasks, overhead or reaching out and so on. So to get these guards on, all you got to do is press the little toggle at the side of the tool here, and push it down, and you just got to basically spin around to hear the click. There you go, and that's it locked in. So obviously, being a right-handed, that's my perfect position for the guard. It's sitting, as I'm holding it, it's sitting on top of the blade, keeping the sparks and things away from my eyes. If you need to adjust it, you press the button and just spin it around one click at a time. This is awesome. So yeah, just as easy as that. So, just going to throw in my first blade. I'm just going to give this a little run inside and see what it sounds like. See if I can get it on there. There, button on the back to lock the blade in place. There we go, tighten that and fold it back down. So just like that, and I'll give it a quick run. Pretty gunsy. Reasonably fast stop as well. So super nice switch on the side there. Very easy. And to change the blade isn't quite as easy as the X-Lock, but flick up the little paddle there. Just twist it until it locks off. And I might throw on the wood grinding blade. It's quite hard to fit in there. Let's go thin one instead. Boom. Just like that. Wind her on. Boom. And again, it's pretty quick. So now the question is, can I fit it all in the box they're giving us? I think I can. It's quite a big box, but I'm yet to get the charger out, so you'll see that once I have packed away all the gear. Fit the last bit in there. All done. And there we go. So fits awesome. Got all of the gear in there. With heaps of space to spare, to be honest. So closes up really easy. I'm sure there won't be a hassle in terms of any more space if I get any brush blades for steel grinding, or any more attachments. It's not going to be an issue. There's extra space for the battery if I need to. So that's awesome. So we have it. So super stoked. So I want to say a massive thanks to Bosch for sending this out. I'm super happy to win the competition, and can't wait to put this to the test and see how it compares to the other brands that I come across. So look out for those videos in the near future, and I hope to get those out hopefully by the weekend or the following. If anyone out there has used or seen these before, let us know what you thought, and yeah, we'll see how we go from there. Anyways, to the next one, I'll see you then.